There we go. We're finding it now.
There we go. Oh, I know it feels weird and sticky on my hands. Yeah, this is what we did yesterday. We just smashed it around everywhere. Tell you what, let's get a softer piece. Here. Right.
Any other time, that'd be the first place she'd hit is her mouth. She's like, that's close to my nose and I can smell it.
I know, but I promise it's tasty. I promise it's tasty.
There we go.
Not spitting it out though. Hey, look at you, big girl.
Like, oh my goodness, what is this in my mouth?
Hey, boo-boos.
Yeah, that's a good job. Now
Yeah, look at that.
Okay, want to try another piece? I can't even pick this stuff up.
So slimy?
Want to try another little piece?
She's got the dexterity of a 5-month-old. Jeez.
Okay, I'll let you finish. That's good. Chewing, chewing, chewing.
She's got the what?
I made a stupid joke.
Oh,
The people on the videotape will hear.
yeah.
Rubies.
Oh, there's some bananas.
That's
stuck
an
in your arm.
elbow fruit. She's got some elbow
Oh,
fruit.
wrong one, sorry. Can't have that. Want to try another piece? Oh, it's okay. Try it. Try it. I don't want to force it. Come on.
Hey, babies.
Jeez Louise, Mom, what are you doing to me?
But she's not spitting it out.
Hey, boo-boos.
You know? She's not doing her little tongue thrust.
Oh, that is hysterical.
How is it? Yeah? You have banana on your shirt. Hey.